Welcome to Defense News Plus. An expected Indian order of 12 Su-30 MKI fighter jets will include new weapons and electronic systems like the Integrated Digital Control System KSU-35 currently installed on the Su-35, which significantly reduces weight, dimensions and power consumptions of onboard equipment and simplifies cockpit operation. The Indian Air Force had cleared the purchase of 21 MiG-29s and 12 Su-30 MKIs from Russia under an emergency clause in 2019. The report stated the Indian Air Force has been working on this plan for some time, but they have now fast-tracked the process and the proposals expected to be worth over $800 million. The new missiles for the Su-30 MKI could include the VVMD short-range missile, the RVV-SD medium-range missile, and the RVV-BD long-range missile developed by the Tactical Missile Corporation. India has developed and tested an indigenous anti-radiation missile from Su-30 MKI apart from the MBDA Mica missile. Next update, BrahMos Aerospace has proposed to set up a state-of-the-art production facility in the Lucknow for its next-generation missile project. Sudhir Kumar Mishra, CEO and MD BrahMos Aerospace, met Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on Tuesday for the allotment of 200 acres of land in the state capital. The facility comes under the aerospace firm's expansion for the BrahMos Next Generation Missile project with an approximate investment of 300 crore rupees and provide direct employment to 500 engineers and technical staff, and around 10,000 people will get indirect employment. The establishment of the facility will make UP an aerospace and defense hub of India as it will bring in niche technologies. In 3 years, the plant will have the capacity to manufacture 100 BrahMos missiles. According to government officials, the proposal also mentioned about the order of 400 BrahMos missiles worth of around 8,000 crore rupees by the Indian Air Force. The company wants to execute this order at its upcoming new facility in Lucknow. Next update, the first of 2 additional Kriva-class stealth frigates being built by Russia is believed to be delivered to India in the middle of 2023. India and Russia inked an intergovernmental agreement worth of $1 billion for 4 Kriva or Talwar-class stealth frigates in October 2016. Goa Shipyard Limited has signed a $500 million deal with Rosoboron Export of Russia in November 2018 for material, design and specialist assistance to locally manufacture the 2 frigates, and the contract was signed between the Ministry of Defense and Goa Shipyard Limited in January 2019. The engines for the ships will be delivered by Zoria Nashprot of Ukraine. 4 gas turbine engines, gearboxes and specialist support will cost around $50 million per ship. Indian Navy currently operates 6 Kriva-class frigates weighing around 4,000 tons each. Next update, Indian Air Force Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadoria flew Tejas single-seater light combat aircraft Mk-1 FOC variant fighter jet during his visit to flight test establishments and facilities of Defense Research and Development Organization and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. During his 2-day visit from 23rd to 24th August, the Chief of the Air Staff also visited the Software Development Institute, the unit tasked with undertaking the development of avionics software. Air Chief Marshal Bhadoria stressed upon software indigenization for integration of various weapons on IAF aircraft and achieving self-reliance in enhancing combat potential. The Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadoria met and interacted with the test crew and engineers of Aeronautical Development Agency DRDO and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. He underscored the crucial role of both the establishment in building the indigenous aviation industry capability of meeting our future requirements. Next update, the first batch of multi-mode hand grenades manufactured by Economic Explosive Limited following transfer of technology from Terminal Ballistic Research Laboratory of Defense Research and Development Organization was handed over to the Indian Army in the presence of Defense Minister Rajnath Singh in Nagpur on 24th August 2021. Chief of the Army Staff General M.M. Naravane, Chairman of DRDO Dr. Satish Reddy, and DG Infantry Lieutenant General A.K. Samantra were among those present on the occasion. That's it for today. If you like our work, then please hit the like button, share this video and do subscribe this channel to get the notification of the next video. Thank you.